Hey everyone, I will be showing you the 8 best AI tools to make you go viral on YouTube. Hey there, fellow content creators, welcome. Navigating the expansive realm of AI tools can feel like stepping into a labyrinth, so many promises, so much potential, but which ones truly deliver? Well, consider this your roadmap through the maze. Today, I am thrilled to pull back the curtain and share not just a list, but an insider's guide to 8 AI tools that I not only trust but rely on wholeheartedly. These are the digital allies that stand by me from the birth of an idea to the flourish of a finished, share-worthy masterpiece. Hang tight, because we are about to embark on a journey together, one that promises discovery, efficiency, and maybe even a touch of digital magic. Oh, stick around until the end because I've got a game changer up my sleeve. A tool so revolutionary, it might just redefine the very landscape we traverse as content creators. Exciting, right? So, if you're ready to plunge into this universe of innovation and creativity, let us not delay any longer. Buckle up because we are about to embark on an expedition through the cutting edge of content creation. Segment number 1. Researching your video idea. Alright, content creators, buckle up for the exhilarating ride through the first leg of our creative journey, the research phase. Now, conventional wisdom might steer you toward ChatGPT as the ultimate AI tool for research, but let me introduce you to the paradigm-shifting alternative, Google Bard. Imagine having your very own digital librarian, turbocharged by the might of Google's search engine, offering unparalleled functionality without costing a dime. Why Google Bard, you ask? Well, it is more than a search engine. It is a powerhouse for exploration. Whether you are delving into the depths of niche topics or seeking the elusive spark of inspiration for your next video, Google Bard emerges as a stalwart companion in your creative arsenal. I have personally awarded Google Bard a commendable 4.5 stars, uploading its user-friendly interface and unwavering accuracy. But that is not the end of the story. There is an air of anticipation, hoping to witness the infusion of even more features in the future. So, as we tread the path of research, consider Google Bard not just a tool but a guiding force, steering us toward the wellspring of ideas and knowledge. Let us dive deeper into this digital realm and uncover the treasures that await us in the vast expanse of information. Segment number 2. Writing your content. Now that we have laid the groundwork with research, let us navigate the intricate waters of the writing phase, a pivotal step that can make or break your content's resonance. Here, the spotlight shines on Copy AI, an AI writing wizard that has, in my creative journey, become an indispensable companion. Picture this, a tool that not only significantly truncates my writing time, but also deftly handles a myriad of content needs, from the verbose realms of blog posts to the succinct universe of social media captions. What sets Copy AI apart is its ingenious use of easy-to-follow templates tailored to specific content needs. It is nothing short of a game changer, transforming the often daunting task of crafting compelling narratives into a streamlined, almost effortless process. As much as Copy AI earns applause for its simplicity and effectiveness, there is always room for improvement. While it excels in many areas, incorporating better options for rephrasing and simplifying sentences could elevate its prowess even further. In the grand theater of content creation, Copy AI takes center stage, weaving the words that breathe life into your ideas. Despite its stellar performance, I have bestowed upon it a thoughtful rating of 3.75 stars, acknowledging its strengths while holding out hope for refinements that could propel it into a stratosphere of writing assistant tools. Join me as we delve into the nuances of language and explore how Copy AI can be both a creative collaborator and a guide through the labyrinth of storytelling. Segment number 3. Grammar check. As we venture deeper into the realm of content creation, our next stop is the critical juncture of ensuring linguistic clarity, an aspect that can be the linchpin between engagement and confusion. In this phase, allow me to introduce you to the Hemingway app, a veritable maestro in the symphony of simplifying text and excising unnecessary fluff. Think of the Hemingway app as your linguistic minimalist, tirelessly working to make your content not only comprehensible but elegantly straightforward. Its user-friendly interface is akin to a linguistic compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of words and ensuring that your audience can effortlessly navigate the narrative terrain you have crafted. While the Hemingway app's forte lies in simplifying content, a broader focus on grammar intricacies could be a potential avenue for improvement. In the grand tapestry of linguistic refinement, the Hemingway app stands tall as a reliable AI grammar tool. It may not be the omniscient garden of grammatical nuances, but it certainly plays a commendable role in fine-tuning your prose. For its significant contribution to transforming content into an epic adventure, I bestow upon the Hemingway app a well-deserved 4 stars. Join me as we embark on a linguistic odyssey exploring the nuances of grammar and clarity that elevate our content from mere words to a symphony of eloquence. Segment number 4. AI Design Tool. As we venture into the visual realm of content creation, the spotlight now turns to the canvas, the digital canvas that is. For all things design, my trusty companion is none other than Canva, a versatile tool that has etched its place in the creative landscape. What makes Canva my go-to? Well, let us unravel the threads of this visual tapestry. Canva's claim to fame its user-friendly interface, a welcoming gateway for both novices and seasoned designers alike. The inclusion of a decent free tier is a boon for those navigating the waters of content creation on a budget. Additionally, the 30-day free trial for Pro features adds a layer of sophistication for those looking to delve deeper into the realm of professional design. Yet, as we journey through the design cosmos, it becomes apparent that Canva, while excelling in short-form content, might encounter some limitations in the arena of larger projects. This prompts me to weave a patchwork of other tools alongside Canva to address specific editing choices. It is the harmonious blend of strengths and considerations that guides my rating of Canva at 3.75 stars. Anticipation hangs in the air like an unfinished masterpiece. Canva's potential to evolve into an all-encompassing design platform. Imagine a space where every design need finds its solution. Digital atelier where creativity knows no bounds. As we explore the current landscape, let us envision the future, where Canva might just blossom into the all-in-one design haven we've all been yearning for. Join me as we paint strokes of possibility on the canvas of design evolution. But before we move on, if you are excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit the subscribe button on my channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Segment number 5. Voiceover. As we journey through the auditory dimension of content creation, the spotlight now falls upon the ethereal world of voiceovers, a realm where each inflection, each cadence becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of storytelling. In this symphony of voices, a standout performer takes center stage. ElevenLabs, a dynamic tool that breathes life into AI-generated voiceovers, offering a unique avenue to infuse your content with a personalized touch. What distinguishes ElevenLabs from the chorus of voiceovers tools is its ability to not only render AI voiceovers, but also to mimic specific voices, injecting a layer of authenticity and familiarity into your narrative. Imagine the power to choose the very timbre that resonates with your audience, turning your content into a sonic journey that transcends the mere exchange of information. Yet, even in the harmony of ElevenLabs, a discerning ear may catch the faint notes of potential refinement. While it undeniably stands as a top-tier voiceover tool, there lies a canvas for enhancement, specifically in the realm of keyword emphasis. Imagine the impact of a voice that not only narrates but also underscores the pivotal points of your narrative with subtle emphasis. In the grand auditorium of voiceover tools, I bestow upon ElevenLabs a 3.5-star rating. This rating is not a testament to its shortcomings but a recognition of its excellence, coupled with a hopeful nod toward the prospect of fine-tuning and evolving. Join me as we navigate the auditory landscape, exploring the nuances of voiceovers and envisioning the crescendo of possibilities that lies ahead in this captivating symphony of artificial voices. Segment number 6. AI Image Generation. As we continue our exploration into the visual cosmos of content creation, a luminary emerges on the horizon, Dall E. a trailblazer in the realm of AI image generation. Its partnership with ChatGPT is akin to the fusion of two creative galaxies, creating a synergy that propels the art of visual storytelling to new heights. Dall E3's prowess becomes evident in its ability to seamlessly infuse captions and words into images, transforming the static into the dynamic. This feature alone catapults it into the echelons of must-have tools for content creators seeking to breathe life into blog headers, craft custom illustrations that resonate with the narrative's nuances, and even embark on the journey of logo design. It is not just an image generator, it is a virtual artist that understands the language of visual communication. Yet, like any other masterpiece in the making, the Dall E3 grapples with a subtle challenge: character consistency. While it may stumble in maintaining absolute uniformity, it doesn't detract from the fact that Dall E3 stands as a frontrunner in the expansive landscape of image design. For its impressive capabilities and its role of a harbinger of a new era in visual creativity, I bestow upon Dall E3 a resounding 4 stars. This rating is a nod to its transformative potential and its current standing as a powerhouse in the dynamic world of AI image generation. Join me as we unravel the visual tapestry woven by Dall E3, exploring the realms of creativity and envisioning a future where every image is a canvas for boundless imagination. Segment number 7. AI Animation. As we delve deeper into the multi-dimensional landscape of content creation, the allure of animated storytelling beckons us into a realm where static images evolve into dynamic narratives. At the forefront of this animated frontier is Pika Labs, a tool that, despite being in its beta phase, endeavors to democratize the art of animation with its free AI animation offering. Pika Labs emerges as a promising contender, offering a user-friendly platform that simplifies the intricate process of creating animations. For content creators exploring the potential of motion graphics, this tool serves as a gateway to infuse their narratives with life and movement. The allure of a free tool, especially in a creative landscape often accompanied by premium price tags, adds an enticing layer to Pika Labs' appeal. However, as we embark on this animated journey, we encounter the nuances that accompany tools in their nascent stages. Pika Labs, with its commendable efforts, does bear certain limitations. The imposed 3-second duration cap and the unpredictable nature of results underscore the tool's current developmental stage. While it ignites the spark of potential, these constraints raise considerations for content creators seeking flexibility and reliability in their animated endeavors. In the spirit of acknowledging the promise within Pika Labs and understanding the inherent challenges of early-stage development, I assign a thoughtful 3-star rating. This rating is not a verdict but a recognition of Pika Labs' current standing. With a hopeful eye toward its future evolution, join me as we navigate the uncharted waters of AI animation, where every frame is a brushstroke in the canvas of creativity, and envision a future where Pika Labs may blossom into a formidable player in the realm of animated storytelling. Segment number 8. AI Captions. In the intricate tapestry of video content creation, Submagic emerges as a reliable ally, seamlessly tackling the challenge of automated video captions. Its dynamic features, such as the whimsical integration of emojis and strategic keyword highlighting, not only streamline the captioning process but also elevate it to a creative endeavor. The emojis dance in sync with spoken words, infusing a playful rhythm, while keyword highlighting becomes a visual compass, guiding viewers through the narrative's pivotal points. While Submagic excels in its time-saving capabilities and enhances accessibility, it is important to note the occasional need for manual adjustments to ensure pinpoint accuracy. Acknowledging its valuable contributions, Submagic earns a well-deserved 3.5-star rating, inviting creators to explore the nuanced art of automated captions and envision a future where spoken words are not just transcribed but artistically woven into the fabric of visual storytelling. Join me in the captivating journey where Submagic transforms captions from the mere text into an integral part of the immersive storytelling experience. And there you have it, my ultimate AI toolkit for crafting viral content. Dive into these tools, experiment, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And hey, don't miss out on more handy tips for making awesome content. Hit subscribe. So go have fun creating, and I will catch you in the next batch of tips and tricks.